I think for the first time in 15 years, I got an opportunity to play a Muslim girl. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that too with not just a Muslim girl, with so much of nazakat and that Urdu accent and everything. I like to guard myself, shield myself, and I wouldn't be like, okay, I'll go to you, I'll talk to you. No, I'll observe you first. And if I get impressed by you, फिर आपको मेरे पास आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं आपके पास आऊँगी. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम वेयर आई गेट अफेक्टेड, जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ये चीज़ सही नहीं लगती है कि आपको कोई हक नहीं बनता कि आप किसी के रिलीजन के बेसिस पे आप किसी को जज करें. तो ये चीज़ this one thing where I get affected is this, like, not that people don't want to be friends with me, everyone invites me everywhere. मैं तो कैमरा पे apologize करने को तैयार हूँ. हर कोई प्रीमियर पे बुलाता है, हर कोई पार्टी पे बुलाता है, हर कोई अपनी हाउस पार्टी पे बुलाता है. It's me who doesn't go, and I don't blame anyone. If I don't have friends, it is me who's responsible for it, not anyone else. Hi, this is Hina Khan, and you're watching me exclusively on Zoom.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the scintillating diva wearing a traditional outfit and looking extremely gorgeous. Join me as I welcome Hina Khan on Zoom.
Thank you, Samina. Thank you for having me.
Lovely chatting with you always, and this time
thank you for the compliment. Yeah.
It's always lovely chatting with you, Hina, whenever we have done interviews and all. And this time it's something different because it's not that cool. It's going to be Nama cool. So tell me about it.
So this show is live on Amazon Mini TV. The show is called Nama Cool, and it's a really, really nice, cool comedy, light-hearted comedy, bromance. You have mystery, then there's a murder involved, there's a lot of drama, very new, fresh faces, and great performances, I would say. So you should give it a watch. It's free on Amazon Mini TV. I loved my character. I loved playing Rubia. It was, I think for the first time in 15 years, I got an opportunity to play a Muslim girl. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that too with not just a Muslim girl, with so much of nazakat and that Urdu accent and everything. So I kind of really, really enjoyed it. तो मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया करके.
मैं क्या उर्दू में बात करूं? मोहतरमा, आप तहजीब या तशरीफ लाई है?
नहीं, मोहतरमा तशरीफ रख चुकी हैं.
तशरीफ रख चुकी है.
बस गुफ्तगू हो रही
है. But you know, Urdu बोलना इतना आसान नहीं है. And you know, being a Muslim, I know that, you know, so many friends of mine ask me that तुम लोग के words काफी difficult होते हैं, and to even explain those terms, you know. So, and knowing that, you know, that language, it must be very good for you to even fluently talking about it.
Exactly, because I know the language. I can read Urdu, I can write Urdu, तो I can read Arabic. तो वो एक comfort zone है उर्दू के साथ, language के साथ. तो I was very excited that the Rubia, the character, is going to speak only in Urdu. तो बड़ा मज़ा आया करके.
और बात करें उर्दू की, how much do you personally enjoy writing, you know, shairis, all these things, you know? Have you done ever, like, you know, writing Urdu poetries, thoughts? Do you prefer expressing your thoughts ever, you know?
In Urdu?
In Urdu or
No.
on social media ever?
No, not at all. Sometimes if I have an option to choose music from Instagram, I choose it, you know, you have languages. You can choose it in English, Hindi or Urdu. Sometimes.
Talking about your character,
Urdu.
playing a teacher, and that too, like, it goes back to a lot of memories out there.
Yes.
The moment I saw you, the way you're walking in the trailer,
I know, yeah.
It definitely reminded me slightly of Sushmita Sen.
No, it was influenced by that character, and I was pretty nervous कि मतलब comparison भी कहाँ होगा. I'm not even 1% of how graceful, gracious and beautiful she is. But yes, little inspiration we've taken from there. We had this in mind, you know, this girl is gonna climb up the stairs, walk in the corridor, and boys are gonna fall flat and all of that. So yes, we had that in mind.
And talking about your career journey also, Hina, like you started off from TV, moved to Bollywood, also doing Bollywood, but also now doing OTT. If you look back at your career journey, you know, which is that one thing which hold your ground throughout as an actress?
I think the idea of this thing in me where I am I am ready, and I always welcome change. So this thing in me, and I am open to risks. This has always worked for me. Whenever I have taken a risk, like I just now shot for a Punjabi film, I didn't know how it is going to do. It was my first attempt. I just picked up a subject, and it just instantly, that intuition came in, and I was like, okay, let me just go for this one. And it kind of worked. And just see how it worked. It worked so well. The film is doing so well, touch wood. I am forever grateful to the audiences and God. But it was again a risk, like straight from television to OTT to, I've done a couple of films, and then regional. You know what I mean?
Yes.
But then the amount of love I have received, oh my God. And especially the amount of compliments I've got for my Punjabi accent, which is, I'm so grateful. I wasn't expecting that people are going to love my Punjabi, and they would want to see more of me speaking Punjabi. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि people want to see me speak in Punjabi, and people want to see me more in Punjabi films, and they loved my character. I think somehow when I watched the film in the premiere, I kind of really enjoyed myself, my journey in that film. And especially two beautiful songs, one we shot in Canada and one we shot in Chandigarh. So I was like, यार नहीं यार करना चाहिए यार, अच्छा लग रहा है. तो वो confidence आया, but risk था. So yes, for me, what has worked is that I believe in change, I welcome change, and I am open to risks.
Hina, your aura is also like that. Sometimes people find it difficult to even approach you.
God, man, everyone tells me you feel like सामने वाला intimidate हो सकता है. Your appearance is very intimidating.
It could be moody. It could be moody, basically. So, do you feel that it is required as an actress to maintain an aura, or do you feel like it's just the hype what has been created around you?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I've just finished a show, and all the people in the show, now I just don't want to get into the self-praise mode and all of that, but they all had a good time with me. I come across like that. I'll agree to that. Yes, when someone tries to approach me, they'll think 1,000 times before approaching me. The person can feel intimidated. But when the person talks to me, they'll realize that I am not that difficult. It's just that I think I put in an effort to appear in a certain way that she's unapproachable. Let me just put it this way. Because I like it that way, I like to guard myself. I am that kind of a person. I am not an introvert, पर मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं अपना एक certain aura, when I enter the room, it shouldn't be like, okay, someone has entered the room. You got to make some noise when you enter the room. So I like to guard myself, shield myself, and I wouldn't be like, okay, I'll go to you, I'll talk to you. No, I'll observe you first. And if I get impressed by you, फिर आपको मेरे पास आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं आपके पास आऊँगी.
Wow.
Trust me, this is how I am. Like if I am impressed by you, and the only thing which can impress me in this entire wild world is your work, your efficiency. If you're efficient, I am your fan forever. If you're inefficient or you're just bragging, मैं आपसे दूर भागूंगी.
और आपको समझ में आ जाता है because you also hold an experience of so many years.
Not that doesn't mean I'm perfect.
Yeah.
किसी को मैं भी inefficient लग सकती हूँ, पर मैं आपको अपनी जर्नी बता रही हूँ. शायद मुझसे भी कुछ लोग होंगे जो दूर भागते होंगे. I don't know about that, but मैं आपको अपनी जर्नी बता रही हूँ कि मेरे लिए the person needs to be perfect in what he or she does. Whatever, chahe the person is assisting someone, just a smaller example I'm giving you, a focus puller. If he's fab at his job, matlab, I'll go to him, I'll tell him, yeah, you're looking so good, yeah, ye kapde kahan se kharide, kya kiya, I love encouraging people, but they got to be good at their work.
And off late, आपको किसी ने ऐसा लगा जिसमें like you just really got inspired by that person be it an actor, be it any individual otherwise?
I think Dibendu ji, I worked with Dibendu Bhattacharya ji in one of my series, and he, the way he works and his aura on sets really inspired me. उनका जो एक तरीका है काम करने का, मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा impress हुई उनसे कि कितने grounded हैं और काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला उनसे. So I would say him, and of course Chunky Pandey ji. He is so cute. He is adorable. I had so much fun shooting with him. So much fun shooting with him.
Hina, as we talk about your aura, there are occasions when whenever you're posting something, it's also taken sometimes otherwise, especially when, like recently, Touchwood, you went to Umrah, you know, for the last 2 years I've been going, and you got back to your work. And that is how things have to be, you know, you have to take deen and dunya together, you know, however things are.
Balance.
Balance, basically. But still, sometimes you get trolled for, you know, what you follow versus what you do. How do you manage that balance? You know, how do you take that in your stride? Because eventually you are a human. You may also get affected by such
I
things.
do get affected, which is why I always switch off the comment section. If you'll see, you will have to notice this. I think this is the only time where I get affected. जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ये चीज़ सही नहीं लगती है कि आपको कोई हक नहीं बनता कि आप किसी के रिलीजन के बेसिस पे आप किसी को जज करें. तो ये चीज़ this one thing where I get affected is this, like when I post something, I make sure that I just turn off the comments so that I don't want people to give their judgments and everything. So as far as I am concerned, I know what I do and I know how much I know about my deen. I don't have to prove it to anyone. And trust me, I know a lot. It's just that I don't brag about it. And I know what I feel for Almighty and how peaceful I feel when I go there. I don't have to prove it to anyone. मेरी journey है, मेरी आखिरत है.
Exactly.
मुझे जवाब देना है.
But how was it like, you know, being over there at a spiritual place, you know, and since 2 years you're Touchwood, you know, following.
I
you know,
can
being
be there like now. If you'll tell me, Hina, pack your bags and go now, I can be there now. I get overwhelmed when I talk about that place. So I'm not going to talk much about that. I get very emotional when I talk about that place. It's extremely, extremely close to my heart.
Coming back to industry, you have been here for so many years. Do you feel you have made friends more or more of enemies?
I don't have friends, yaar.
Yeah.
Not that people don't want to be friends with me. Everyone invites me everywhere. मैं तो कैमरा पे apologize करने को तैयार हूँ. हर कोई प्रीमियर पे बुलाता है, हर कोई पार्टी पे बुलाता है, हर कोई अपनी हाउस पार्टी पे बुलाता है. It's me who doesn't go, and I don't blame anyone. If I don't have friends, it is me who's responsible for it, not anyone else. Enemies? No, I don't think so. People in television, people everywhere, whoever I've worked with have loved me wholeheartedly. All of them, I am in touch with all of them, but on personal messages. It's just that I don't write much about them. I don't put up stories with them. I make content. I meet people. Shahir is my very good friend. We often meet, but I just don't put it out. He doesn't put it out. वो तो और भी मुझसे भी ज़्यादा मतलब introvert है. So it's just that I don't talk about it. But ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग मेरे साथ friends नहीं होना चाहते हैं. It's just that I think I'm too unapproachable, or I just like to live in my shell, and I just don't want to step out. This is my problem. And whoever I meet and whoever invites me ना, I always tell them यार मैं क्या करूँ? I'm sorry. तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं ये एक्सेप्ट
Is it like you have social anxiety, or do you?
I get anxious with a lot of people. This is true. Like this also happened to me when I was promoting my film in Punjab during my promotions for Shinda Shinda No Papa. I remember I got she's sitting right here, my manager. Her name is also Hina. She has like given me left, right and center that you can't do this. I mean, I get anxious when I see a lot of people. I kind of don't know how to react, and I try and step away from that situation. So I have this problem. I get anxious. So which is why I choose to stay low key. I think जितना मैं Instagram पे अपने आप को दिखा पाती हूँ, that's it. उससे ज़्यादा you know that I hardly give interviews.
Yeah, it's very difficult to catch hold of you.
Yeah, I mean, do you agree with me?
I completely agree.
So है मुझे वो. Not that I can't speak, not that I don't have a perspective. It's just that I don't want to. I'm sorry.
Recently at Cannes Film Festival, we didn't see you, but you have been there. You have made your debut, and it was all out there. What do you miss the most about that place, and what memories have you made?
The aura of that place, the energy, it's amazing. People, foods, weather, everything. I mean, everything. The energy, I miss everything. And whoever is there on the carpet, I am so proud of all of them. As I said before, it's very easy for people out here to judge them. What have they worn? Why have they worn this? You don't know the effort they have put in behind that. महीनों की मेहनत लगी होगी for them when they got to know that they have been taken, they will be taken by this network to Cannes. तो आप अंदाज़ा नहीं लगा सकते हो कि उनके लिए कितना बड़ा मोमेंट है ये. तो yeah, I mean, I am so proud of all of them.
And lastly, before I let you go, you recently said that there should be a 2-day leave for periods, and I think this is a struggle.
social media पे गुंडा.
This is a struggle for every woman out there, who's working, who says that, So if you would like to say something on that.
See, I said it before. I'd like to repeat myself. It's मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि as a woman now, in my journey, especially at shoots, for actors, there is no option. There's no other option. You have to show up. No matter what. और आपके periods के हिसाब से, आपकी monthly periods के हिसाब से schedule plan नहीं हो सकता. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And if a schedule is planned, you have to show up. Bottom line. There's no excuse. And I get that. ठीक है. But बाकी प्रोफेशंस में आई फील इन फैक्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट अ वर्किंग वुमन, इवन अ हाउसवाइफ, आई फील कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक वर्किंग वुमन से ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ एक हाउसवाइफ पे होती हैं जो 24 घंटा काम करती हैं. तो आई फील I'll just tell you a small incident. वहाँ पे जब I put up that story उत्तराखंड में, a lady came to me and she gave me a chocolate and she said, I read your story. And she gave me a chocolate and I was like, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. And she said, are you feeling better? I said, no, I'm still in pain. She said, I don't get anything. My first day and second day is so normal. Like, see, which means body to body differ karta hai, right? Some people feel it, some people don't feel it. Like some people feel terrible, right? Can't even walk, talk. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक ऑप्शन दिया जा सकता है कि you can choose a day off as a woman.
Yeah.
चलो 2 दिन नहीं तो कम से कम first day there should be a choice given कि you can choose a day off. So I think वो एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो की जा सकती है इन द सर्विस इंडस्ट्री की. एक दिन की छुट्टी अगर आपकी बॉडी आपको परमिट करती है आप काम कीजिए, अगर आपकी बॉडी आपको परमिट नहीं करती है तो वो चॉइस दिया जा सकता है कि आप डे ऑफ ले सकती है.
Lovely chatting with you, Hina, and thank you so much for your time and all the very best.